Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful village surrounded by green fields and tall trees, there lived a kind farmer named Ahmed. He lived with his wife, their little son Ali, and their loyal dog Tommy. Tommy wasn't just a pet. He was part of the family. He guarded the house day and night, helped the farmer in the fields, and always played with little Ali. Every morning Ahmed went to the fields to work, while his wife did house chores. Little Ollie would play in the garden, and Tommy would always stay near him to make sure he was safe. Everyone in the village admired Tommy's loyalty. One hot afternoon, Ahmed went to the fields as usual. His wife was busy cooking lunch, and Ollie was playing with his toys under the tree. Tired from playing, Ollie soon fell asleep. Tommy sat beside him, wagging his tail, keeping an eye on him. Suddenly, Tommy noticed something moving in the grass nearby. He looked closely. It was a poisonous snake, slowly slithering toward sleeping little Ollie. Tommy's heart began to beat fast. He knew he had to protect the child. Without thinking twice, Tommy jumped between Ollie and the snake. The snake hissed loudly and attacked. Tommy barked, growled, and fought bravely. After a fierce struggle, Tommy finally bit the snake and killed it. But in the fight, the snake's fangs had scratched Tommy's leg. When Ahmad returned from the fields, he saw the garden messy Ollie asleep, and Tommy lying nearby with blood on his mouth. Ahmad panicked. He thought Tommy had hurt his son. In anger and fear, he picked up a stick and struck the poor dog. Tommy whimpered in pain and ran to the corner. Just then, Ahmed's wife came out and screamed, "Look, Ahmed, the snake is dead near Tommy." Ahmed froze. His eyes filled with tears as he realized his mistake. Tommy hadn't hurt his son. He had saved his life. Ahmed rushed to Tommy, crying and holding him. "Forgive me, my brave friend," he said softly. "You are truly loyal." Tommy licked his master's hand as if to say, "I understand." From that day onward, Tommy became the most loved and respected animal in the village. People told his story for years, reminding everyone of the dog's bravery and loyalty.